Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, back another video. Today is Wednesday, December 16th, 2020, and Bitcoin has just broken $20,000. So we're gonna take a quick look here, do a little bit of an analysis of what I think will happen, or what I hope will happen, I guess. Okay, so here was the previous all-time high, around 20,000. You can see we broke through that. We're at around 20,750 right now. I have lines all over the place, but just ignore those for the most part. So let's zoom out here. This was the previous all-time high right here in December 2017. But what I like to look at is these moving averages. You can see we're on a daily chart, Bitcoin versus US dollar. You can see this green moving average is the 100-day moving average. So you can see it kind of respects this average pretty well, especially in a bull market. You can see come down here, come down to the green, come down to the green, come down to the green. You know, we're clearly in a bull market right here, to the green, to the green. So it's like, it's gotta come down eventually, you would think, touch this green line and then continue the move. But at the same time, I think we're in a new era of investing where people just don't care about fundamentals. They just buy. Like you can see this with things like Tesla. Like they don't care too much about the fundamentals. They just buy. Like people just buy. And there's apps like Cash App, Robinhood, all of these different investing apps with no fees now where people can just come in and buy whatever they want. And they don't care anything about fundamentals. So yeah, I think you have to take that into account a little bit. So I don't know, I think anything under 20,000 is a pretty good buy at this point. You know, we're going to be coming hopefully somewhere into this green moving average. That's what I would like to see. I'd like to buy some more under 20,000, I think. So ideally this right here around 14,000 would be the spot to buy, but I don't know if we'll get to that. So very hard to say. You know, maybe we touch like the top of this channel and come back down here. It's hard not to just FOMO in at this point. It's really testing my patience. I just want to buy, you know, but I'm going to continue to be patient. So there's the analysis. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let us know what you guys think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay. Don't blame your problems on the past. Go hard. You might win. Don't blame your problems on the past. Just let them